Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you want to hang out with me some more, you can always subscribe down below or to the side. I don't really know. But I'm baby-faced because we are doing my Boxycharm unboxing, and I figured since I worked out and was already, that's why I look disgusting, because I was working out, but I figured I would do a try-on. I don't normally do try-ons, but let's just try it. I figured this would be different and I would actually get to try the freaking product, so let's do a Boxycharm unboxing try-on. So that means I opened it, which I usually unbox it on screen, but I opened it, so I have my base done. And the one thing we have is 3 eye gel packs. Oh wait, the theme is vacation, which, first of all, see that monstera plant right there? I'm really into houseplants. That is like the last plant I need to complete my collection. Though it will never be complete, I really want a monstera, and that's it right there. So yeah, and it came with a 25% off Butter London coupon. So, whoa, the wind is intense. Whoa, whoa. I just need freaking summer, like, please. So we got these 3 South of Maine. Why does that sound familiar? South of Maine. There's like a restaurant called that or something. South Maine 3 eye gel packs, which I did not use this because you need to leave it on for 30 minutes. For best use, use for 3 consecutive days. And hell to the no, and they're cruelty free. I can never use them, but this is $10. $10. Pretty fun. So the first thing we got is this Boxycharm Pure eyeshadow palette, and it is freaking stunning. I am so excited. Look at this thing. Woo, 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 woo. This was made specifically for Boxycharm, and it retails for $36. And like, you know what kind of vibes this is giving me? It is giving me the Natasha Denona. It's Natasha Denona, but I can never justify her prices. Natasha Denona Tropical Palette. Am I crazy? Is it giving me those vibes? I'll let you know later if I'm right. If not, maybe I'll cut this part out. But perfectly came a Vintage Cosmetics 3 Smoky Eye Brush Set, which we're not going to do smoky eye, but we can try. This goes for $23.15. Let's see what these brushes look like. I haven't even opened these brushes, but let's say for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so. I really like the song Delicate by Taylor Swift. I never used to be able to stand her, but the music video is like so Sia vibes to me. Like, she's dancing like Maddie Ziegler so hard in that video, and I am like, just not here for it. I'm like, Tay-Tay, are you trying to be Maddie Ziegler? There can only be one Maddie Ziegler, and she's certainly, as much as I know it's like she's goofy and she's trying, she certainly does not dance like Maddie Ziegler. Oh, these are full size. So these are like a shader brush, a little like under eye shader brush, and a little angled brush. So we're gonna try to get our look. Let me zoom you in so you guys can stare at my face some more. Don't mind my mustache and my chapped lips, okay? I'm a little behind on my self-care, right? So I'm gonna take this shader brush and take this shade here called Perfect. Oh, there's a little mirror right on here. Perfect. I'm just gonna put that all over my eye. Oh, there is some fallout going on. We'll get perfect in there. And I don't want to do like the generic look that I feel like all the girls are probably gonna do with the try-on video with this eyeshadow palette. All right, we have prepped our eyes. I'm not gonna lie, there is no like little floof brush, so I'm gonna use my own floof brush. I use the It Cosmetics something brush because it wore off. Since I'm probably gonna dip into that crazy fuchsia, I'm gonna take, which one? I'll take this shade Belle here. Oh, I just made a little floop in a different shade, but I'm gonna take that shade. I'm gonna blend out. This is Berry Salmon in my crease. Oh, show you. At first it wasn't showing up, and then I dipped into it, and then it was like whoosh. See, it starts off like not too pigmented, but you can really build it up. It's a pretty color. The fallout is crazy though. Look at that. Not enjoying that. I know I'm not using the set, but I don't have like certain brushes that I like absolutely need to do. I'm gonna take that fuchsia shade, BFF. We're gonna actually blend that as well into our crease. This is a matte shade. Let's see how well this shows up. Not as crazy as I thought it would be. Not crazy at all. I thought it would pull a little more pink for some reason, because obviously I'm just colorblind. Yeah, these are buildable. They start off and you're just like, and then they become very, very buildable. This eye always gets like super annoying. Sorry if I'm making no sense. I said I didn't want to do the eye that I knew every other girl would do with this palette, but I probably am because stink. Then I'm just gonna take my floofy brush, blend that all in. I'm not doing great so far, but that's just me. Obviously, I'm really good at doing this evenly. I know it looks like there's so much more fuchsia on one eye because there is, but that's gonna get blended away anyway. I'm gonna take this shade called Boxy Black. I don't know if you can see, but it has, don't mind my disgusting nails. It has like silver and green and orange and purple micro glitters in it, and me and micro glitter. But I'm gonna take this angled brush, step 2 for the shadow, by the Vintage line. I'm gonna use this to do my outer corner. Let's see how this goes. Oh, that's pretty pigmented. Oh, looks like shit there, but I mean, it showed up a lot better than I thought it would. Apparently today I just can't do eyeshadow. I'm not used to like a brush that's this long to do my outer corner, but I feel like I could get the hang of it relatively soon. A little bit fluffier than I'm used to using in my outer corner. So I really effed up this eye. I blend more BFF in my crease. Way more BFF. I'm not like really enjoying this black eyeshadow. Me and this fuchsia are kind of not getting down either. I'm gonna take that shader brush and I'm gonna take this shade Bay. I'm gonna pat that on the one half of my lid. So this is a more satiny, shimmery looking shade. It's not showing up very metallic. Like I said, I am having a very off day. Okay, that shows up way more pink than I thought it would. All right, okay. This shade called Charmer. It's like a goldy champagne. I'm gonna take it on the same shader brush. I'm gonna pat that. Oh, that's a pretty color. On top. So this shimmery shade is a little bit chunky. I have fallout all over my face. But, you know, fallout is kind of just part of life. That's not as like wham bam thank you ma'am as I want it to be, so I'm gonna take that same shader brush. I'm gonna put some Smashbox primer water on it, because yes, that's what I use sometimes. Because I don't have Max Fix Plus. And I'm gonna dip that back into Charmer. Oh, and we're gonna get that metallic looking freak color. Did you just see that big chunk fall on my face? Okay, so this is looking a little, I mean, it's metallic when you wet it, but it's a little chunky. Let's just like pretend this video never happened. Going to look really cakey. There's no way I can fix it. It looks like I have a chunk of gold on my eye. Let's see what a little eyeliner can do to fix this. And my camera overheated, but I have my eyeliner on. It fixed it a little bit. I have the tiniest eyelids, so so annoying. So you can barely even see that chalky. Base that put on there. Because I'm gonna take that shade Charmer and put it on my inner corner with the other brush, which is step 3, Go Girl Go. I'm actually enjoying this brush set. So that's not the best shade for an inner corner, but what other shade am I gonna choose for my inner corner? I'm gonna take BFF, which is that crazy fuchsia shade we were using, and I'm gonna work that under my eye. Boxy Black, and literally, since my eyes are so tiny, just dot it. I'm gonna take my color switch for this step 3 Go Girl Go brush. These stain very easily. I will let you know that. Like, they were white when I opened them. They are no longer white. I'm just gonna use the step 3 to, and I will say the fallout is pretty intense. Like, I have fallout all over my cheeks. Focus on me. I got fallout all over my cheeky deekies. My next Boxycharm thing I got is the Butter London mascara in Double Decker lashes. I could definitely use some Double Decker lashes. Retails for $20, 200% thicker lashes and a 314% increase in lash curl. I don't understand where people go when they get their percentages larger than 100. Like, where does that even come from? So this is what the wand looks like. It's a little messy. I like when they're like regular bristles, so I'm not even gonna curl my eyelashes. I'm just gonna do the old-fashioned floopa. The old-fashioned floop. Dude, the wind outside is in freaking insane. Today is the day you all learned that I suck at makeup. Kind of kidding. Whoa. Really curled. Like, I didn't even curl them. Yeah. Though they don't make them like super long, they super curl them. Whoa. Yes, why I am famous. I'm so famous. Yeah, these are my natural lashes. So these are my natural lashes with the Butter London. And all you're probably looking at is my mustache and chapped lips. Stop looking there, look at my lashes. Last but not least in my box, this is something I saw a variant of and I was like super hoping for the other variant, but I got the Pretty Vulgar blush in Prim Vixen, and this is in freak intense. The other one was like super natural. Like, it had ghosts and stuff. No, as in it was very natural. I always say supernatural, and I feel like people are probably like, it had ghosts and witches, and not to offend the witches out there. This is a little intense. I used to like go for blushes like this all the time. I don't anymore. I'm more of like a natural blush person, but like, it's pretty. Let me swatch. This is like a bubblegum pink, but I think I can diffuse it. Like, look how diffused it looks there. We're just gonna, this is from last month's Boxycharm. We're gonna boop. We're gonna boop it. Just a little bit of a boop. Note to self, get a damn table to put in front of you, Megan. Like, that's kind of natural. I would not go. My under eyes look so disgustingly crepey right now because of all that fallout. I'm gonna have to fix that. Look, I'm 473 years old. What are those witches I was talking about? I'm the lost Sanderson sister. I have not sucked a child in long. And that's why I look like that. Well, you can make it kind of natural. I mean, it's pretty bubblegum pink for this look, but I feel like this is a pretty pinky look, which seems all my looks have been pulling, whether I use fuchsia or red. It all looks pink. Moral to the story is, you can make it look pretty neutral-ish. It's probably gonna annoy you that I haven't finished my look, so I just bought the Wet n Wild Moon Tears highlight, and I ain't gonna lie, I never wanted this until I saw it in store. Like, I just saw this. Like, look at that side. I'm actually gonna try. I know this doesn't have anything to do with Boxycharm. I'm just so excited to try it. Anything you want it, that's the way you need it. Any way you want it. This has nothing to do with Boxycharm. Well guys, that was my Boxycharm video. Thanks for coming along this adventure with me. In conclusion, I really liked the vintage brushes a lot more than I thought I was going to. I'm going to be honest, I can tell I really like the Butter London double decker mascara. Really was not expecting it to like, I've never seen a mascara just like curl my lashes like that. It might not have been the most volume and it might not have been the most length, but it was just like, I'm curled for the world to see, girl. Though I did not get the blush that I wanted, I can't see myself super reaching for this. I mean, the packaging is really cute, but it's also kind of cheapy feeling. Like, I can really diffuse this, but I actually feel like I've just been leaning away from these blushes. So as though I can diffuse it, like I used it like super lightly today. It looks very natural, so I'll try it more. Didn't try the eye pads, but I definitely will. Have to say that as much as I had to just try this more. The fallout was really intense, and maybe I was just having a really off day, but me and the eyeshadow, we just weren't getting along today. But I didn't use every color, obviously, and I just was trying new brushes, new everything, so I have to use like my go-to brushes for this so that I can test how it is. It's very hard for me to just like pull random brushes that I don't normally use at a new palette and pull like the most beautiful look out of my ass. Like, it's probably just not gonna happen. But it's pretty, it blends pretty nicely. There's a ton of fallout, and the light metallic shades are not as pigmented as I want them to be. They're a little more chalky. You can see. Let me show you. There's like a lot of dust when you do it. So that's not my favorite. So this is probably my least favorite thing so far out of the box, but I gotta play with it some more. But thank you so much for coming along on this adventure with me for Boxycharm. And I will see you next month for our other one, but let's be honest, I'll see you a lot sooner than that because I'm not, the next video I post is it's not gonna be the Boxycharm video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!